Hello everyone. Today we are going to review another UI UX course according to these parameters. This review will be helpful for those who are freshers or who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which covers all the parameters and which is better according to my recommendation. You can check out from there. So, let's start with the review. It's a UI UX design pro learn create and get placed program by Madrid Software, and this is the overview about the UI UX. And these are the standard features about the institute. And these are the modules like what they are going to teach you: UI UX design mastery, mastering UI UX design, job ready assistance is there, launch your career in this tier, IN plus partners are there. This is the FAQs, and certification is there, placement is there, technical skills is there. This is the featured projects is also there. These are the tools like Figma, XD, Sketch, Miro, Illustrator, Innovation. Mainly, all the tools are covered in terms of UI UX, but some of the AI tools are missing, like Framer and ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and this is the resume plus portfolio building is also there. Hybrid learning option is also there. Testimonials, job assurance is also there. Overall, they have covered all the tools, important points in terms of UI UX, but they are missing with the proper detailing about the user experience and fundamentals principles in terms of UI UX. So if we give a rating according to these parameters, curriculum will be 0, stretch fundamental is also 0 because no proper guidance is there. UI design quality is 1, hand-on project is also there, so it's a 1 for me. Tools and software training, I would give 1 because not many tools are missing, only 2 to 3 tools are missing. Mentorship and feedback is not there. Portfolio development is there. Placement and career support is also there. Course value is fees is justified, so it's a 1 for me. And industry relevance update is also 1 for me because it's look like a future oriented course, uh, not old or outdated course in terms of UI UX. But again, there are many better courses in the market which covers all the parameters and which are better from this course. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation and which covers all the parameters in terms of structures, fundamentals, principles, and career support and placement opportunities, and also guide you about portfolio development. I will add the link in the description. You can check out from there. Thank you.